Hey, fellow professionals, are you looking to level up your career success? Let's talk about finding your commanding desk position. Your commanding desk position is more than just where you sit, it's about aligning your body's vibration with the frequency of success and abundance. Think about kings, queens, presidents, and rulers. They all knew the power of their positions to gain the upper hand in any scenario, even while sleeping. How to find your commanding desk position. 1. Place your desk in the command position of the room, facing the door but not in direct line with it. 2. Sit with a solid wall behind you for support and a clear view of the room. 3. Keep your desk clutter-free to allow for better energy flow. By aligning yourself with your commanding desk position, you can enhance your focus, productivity, and overall success in your career. Join us at the workshop to learn how to optimize your workspace for maximum success. Discover how to elevate your career with simple yet powerful techniques. Your success starts with your workspace.